Hello, are you there and you're wondering the reason why your lotion tends to change color after a few weeks of production? If you truly want to know the answers to these questions, then you need to keep watching. Hello beauty lovers, your girls Arena, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a tutorial on the reason why your lotion tends to change color. Good percentage of people have this issue, and this simply means oxidation has taken place. Oxidation is when there's an additional oxygen coming in contact with your lotion. Tons of concerns have rolled into my DM, and my question has always been, what is in your formula sheet? Having taken time to study most of all the templates sent to me, I noticed most of them use kojic acid in formulating their lotion. And I have not seen anyone who has added a stabilizer to keep kojic acid in shape. Kojic acid, as we all know, is used to treat skin issues. Not only do we use it to treat issues such as melasma and hyperpigmentation, we also use it to lighten up our skin organically. And that's the reason why I'm going to narrow this topic to the reason why kojic acid will alter the color of your lotion. Now, they worry why the lotion turns from white to light brown to darkish brown or even to yellow while using kojic acid. That's because you've been unable to stabilize your kojic acid. Now, if you're using kojic acid, three things should come to your mind. How to stabilize your kojic acid, the right temperature at which your kojic acid goes into your formulation, and the right percentage to administer. If you don't put these three things in check, then you'll be getting everything wrong. Most people or skin therapists will tell you use kojic dip instead of kojic acid, but the question is why? It's a big question mark. Why? Because kojic acid is said to be very unstable. It tends to oxidize fast. Kojic dip is more stable, yes, and it's oil soluble, while kojic acid is water soluble. Now, kojic acid is derived from fermentation process of melting rice. I don't want to bore you guys how kojic acid is being derived, but you can make more research on that. Now, if you want to incorporate kojic acid into your formulation, you need to get a preservative or an antioxidant to put it in check. Most people tend to use propylene gallate, BHA, BHT, which is a form of preservative that helps to keep oil from going rancid. Now, I would recommend that you use sodium metabosulfate to stabilize your kojic acid. Sodium metabosulfate is a kind of preservative that releases sulfur dioxide, which helps to stabilize kojic acid and also keep discoloration at a very low rate. Now, when you stabilize your kojic acid, the second thing you want to put into consideration is the temperature at which you add your acid to your lotion. I've seen several videos where people tend to add lotion when it's still very hot. That will cause it to deactivate, oxidize, and eventually change the color of the lotion, either to from white to light brown, brownish, or even to yellow. The third thing you want to put into consideration is the right percentage to administer. Most people have this belief that kojic acid is super abrasive on the skin. Well, that belief is relative. In as much as people say kojic acid is not flexible to work with, I call it a very silly acid, no doubt, but if you know how to use this acid, it is lovely and super dope. Now, if you want to melt your kojic acid, you need to first incorporate sodium metabosulfate into the water that you'll be using to dissolve your kojic acid. After you might have done this, you will set it aside while you're making your lotion. After your lotion might have cooled to the temperature below 40 degrees, then you incorporate your dissolved kojic acid into your formulation. Further steps that you want to put into consideration preserving your lotion is also to keep it on a shelf or keep it in a place where the temperature is below 40 degrees, because heat can also cause kojic acid to react. Should you not know how to check the temperature of your room or where you keep your cosmetic products, simply keep it in your refrigerator. I hope you find this piece of information a useful one? If you did, kindly subscribe to my channel. That's the only way you can support your girl, and hit on the notification bell beside it to get notified each time I upload a new video. Share and like my video. Talk to family and friends about this channel, because there's a lot to come. Before I sign off, my training will be coming up on the 12th of March. If you're interested in knowing how to formulate your lotion, how to make your cream from the scratch, then you want to click on the link below to get more info. Until my next video, treat and pamper your skin, because you're going to wear it for the rest of your life. Keep that glow pumping, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.